we are going to discuss one important question. Which parasitic infestation produces anemic condition? In this question they are asking anemic condition produced by which parasites or worms. Anemic condition produced by which parasitic infestation. So coming to the options, A. Ascariasis, B. Hookworm, C. Pinworm and D. None of the above. Answer is hookworm. Coming to explanation, somewhat explanation about hookworm. Hookworm will be having the body cavity. That's why we'll be calling as helminthes. Hookworm, also known as ankylostomiasis or uncinariasis. This ankylostomiasis or uncinariasis is also known for the hookworm. This ankylostoma duodenale or nectar americanus is among the children and adults transmitted percutaneously through the fecal contaminated soil. When these will be passing through one infected person through the infected person's feces, it get into the soil, mainly sandy soil. In the sandy soil, it get into the sandy soil, contaminated into the soil. When the farmer or the children, when without slippers, barefootly they will be walking on the sand, they will be percutaneously into the person's, through the feet it will be get into the person's body. Through hookworm eggs passed into the feces are deposited on the soil and mature into rabidity form, so which can be capable for penetrating the skin of the mainly through the feet between the toes. These rabidity form which are capable for penetrating through the hook type of shape, it will be penetrating percutaneously, it will go into the barefoot of the farmers or the children, it will penetrate into the skin of toes of the, in between the toes it will get penetrated. So then the larva enters to the lymphatic system, then into the blood circulation, then into the GIT via lungs. After entering into the GI tract, it will be attached to the mucus of the mucous membrane of the jejunum, mainly jejunum, somewhat into the, mainly it will get into the jejunum, rarely into the ileum, somewhat duodenum incidents. So start feeding on the host, means it will be sucking on sucking the mucous membrane of the GIT tract, it will get feeding from the host blood at per day 0.2 ml. One worm 0.2 ml per day, it will be getting sucking of the blood of the human. Ankylar duodenale, one worm per day 0.2 ml of blood suck and 0.03 ml one nectar americanus. These one worm suck the 0.03 ml per day. The blood will be sucked by these worms. So this eventually develops the progressive iron deficiency anemia. These these infestations, these parasites will be feed on the host blood, it will suck the blood of the humans or the children's when it will be get into the barefoot of the into the lymphatic circulation and blood circulation and GI tract. So these everything process eventually leads to the iron deficiency anemia. These can be identified through the Chandler index. In the Chandler index, how much the hookworm will be in a particular area public health problem we can identify. Chandler's index. So the treatment will be albendazole and mebendazole. Albendazole 200 ml for less than 2 years babies, 200 mg or then 400 mg is more than 2 years kids we can administrate albendazole with the fatty food. Mebendazole 100 mg BD for 3 days, or at one single dose 500 mg we can administrate. Albendazole, mebendazole is the mainly anti-helminthic drug which can kill these hookworm infestations. So this is the question in this. They are asking anemic condition which can be produced by the hookworm.